Hi, today I am going to do the third part of singular and plural nouns. Singular and plural nouns part 3. I have taught you about the singular nouns which we add s to the end to make the plural. The singular noun ending in s double s x z double z ch and sh makes the plural by adding es. In the previous lesson I taught you about the way to make the plural nouns from the singular nouns that end with s. Today I am going to teach you about the way to make the plural nouns from the singular nouns that end with double s. The plurals with singular nouns ending with double s. There are some nouns which end in double s and form plural forms by adding es. These types of nouns belong to the regular nouns category. Now I will tell you about these types of nouns. Dress is the singular noun and dresses is the plural noun. Mass is the singular noun and masses is the plural noun. Address is the singular noun and addresses is the plural noun. Boss is the singular noun and bosses is the plural noun. Class is the singular noun and classes is the plural noun. Cross is the singular noun and crosses is the plural noun. Princess is the singular noun and princesses is the plural noun. Compass is the singular noun and compasses is the plural noun. Glass is the singular noun and glasses is the plural noun. I will give you some more nouns that end with double s. Bliss, blisses, loss, losses, mess, messes, pass, passers. That is the end of today's lesson. Let's meet again in singular and plural nouns part 4. Subscribe and click the bell icon of my channel and join with us. Thank you and have a nice day.